we are going to a place. Actually, we posted it on Facebook na mag-atumi og Cebu. And now we are on our way. Nakasakay namin yung taxi and yes, we are very excited. Padulngan. And we are going to look for a place to stay in Cebu. It's going to be an adventure, a small adventure, and I'm sure ma-enjoy it ni Namo. So, yun lang guys. We'll be back to you later pag abot na sa airport. And
Lakay Sicilio.
I'm currently nalapit karon sa Davao Airport or Bango International Airport. And currently, cup noodles lang kaya wala ako naka-breakfast. Nag-laptop. The bag is leaving. My glasses is now broken. I'm not gonna be able to wear any glasses on this adventure. It's already 9:11 a.m. and it's about an hour to go to our flight na. Hello! Baklay me among airplane. Okay. Nanamigit sa plane. Yeah, hey! Okay guys, finally we arrived here at Cebu, Whte. This will be our first time and to Rosita, nagbaklay sa kong liko. It's the place to be. And we took a grab kay around 120 to 200 plus lang ang probably maging bill sa amo ang taxi. So far, medyo wala lagi kay traffic karon naman lang. First time na ako sa Cebu. Sunday man. Cebu. Siyang makan, dapat yung kita na eh. Video ba ito? Hey guys, we are now on our way to Moalboal. And that's probably ang 13 namin ito sa Cebu South Bus Terminal. Yung na siya pila ang pamasahe or pila ang fare. And we are on our way to Moalboal, which is good place. Non-aircon ang among bus, as you can see, medyo skip siya. And halos matagap na po dito sa akong gilingkuran. It's okay lang. Part of the adventure. So, we are going to be at Moalboal and we will tell you what are our plans here sa Cebu or diri sa Visayas pag abot na mo sa amo ang room sa Moalboal. Nabot na gid mi sa sobra na mo kalaagan. And this is our room. Naami karon nagstay sa Citas. Kay Vivian, close man daw to. Amot na ko dalaw ko ba mo ba to. So, yun guys. So, we have an aircon room and Right now, 7. Ang temperature. Gina-adjust na ko ang kaning aircon namo. Actually, we were not expecting. Kaya among budget for the room is only 500. But when we knew na ang room BI is around 700 lang ang aircon. So, what's the difference? 200 pesos. So, gigrab na namo eh. Abi na mo dako kayong difference. So, yun guys. We have our room diri sa Rositas. And then, a shower. Muna ang among shower. And the toilet. Small lang siya. And I think we will be very comfortable here. No TV. But it's fine. No TV. We don't need TV anyway. May sa Smurf Village na white ang color. Siya para sa magstay diri sa Moalboal. And yun, kita na namo ang dagat. Kasi barilon ta diri. Dagan. Guys, we arrived na nagid mi diri sa Moalboal. It's a Moalboal. Ug sa slang pa. And we are actually looking for tindahan kay para makapalit mi og necessities kay wala gid mi nakaandam. See? Hello guys, good afternoon. Yes, finally nakasakay mi sa wala sa plano. Naka-inform me about the Whte beach diri sa Moalboal or Moalboal. So, money, nag-give time me. About 300 among pamasahe kanina, pero back and forth na siya. Padulong pa diri o pabalik sa amo ang room. And yes, sayang lang kay medyo hugaw ang Whte beach ay. Pero gwapo to yung beach sun. Dagko ang iyang sun. Pero kung wala ang waste, probably one of the best beach ni siya na ato ang maduan. Diri sa Whte beach. 5 pesos lang ang entrance fee. So dito na to ang 5 pesos. Ha? This is my beach. Si Doggy! Asa si Doggy? Higda. So, yun. Ayan. I am back guys. Yes, ulogid kayo kaya actually naagid sa front na mo ang sun. And the sun is setting. Mo naman ginapabot karon around 6 PM. Hi guys, change position gamay. Ginapabot na nagita mo ang sunset. Babalik yan. Babalik. Bumalik kasi hindi marunong bumangoy. Hello guys, now we are leaving the Whte beach. It's because we are not that satisfied. Kasi 2, 3, 1, 1, 2, 3 for us, and there's Kuya. At nito eh. Good evening. We are out here looking for a place to eat. Medyo Tom Jones na gid kayo diri sa it's like a ghost town. Maybe because it's not season nga Prato siguro. Browsing the internet while waiting for a good meal. Our Coke has arrived. But we don't have food yet. I'm so hungry. So hungry. Oh my god. The rice has arrived. And I'm so excited to take a bite. Oh, okay lang. Oh, isa lang. Oh my god. Our order has arrived. And I think this will be my first decent meal for today. Tara. Let's eat. Simut sarap. Finally, we just had our dinner. Worth the wait. Actually, one of the best afritada. Muang na tilawan. Medyo dugay lang siya na serve, but it was worth it. Finally, we arrived in our room. Really tired from Davao. Tapos straight to Cebu. Then, nagdiretso mi diri sa Moalboal, sa Moalboal, then Whte Island. So, actually, we didn't have a lot of time to take a rest. Kay diretso-diretso ang among biyahe. Laag ni Tot. And subscribe in our YouTube channel, follow us on Twitter, follow us on Instagram, and follow us on Facebook. Because tuloy-tuloy niya mong update sa video karon. And probably, among buhaton is, ginote nato ang kaning we took a note kung how much yung na-spend namo from time to time, guys, to let you know kung how much inyo magasto probably kung mag-ato mo diri. Probably we will not have the same itinerary as you, but at least may guide ka mo kung how much ang abo ang tawag ani ang amo ang nagasto. So yun na guys, thank you so much. Good night, and I'm going to call this a day. So ugma, laag na punta.
I'll be there. Leaving you alone is the hardest.
Ish, hindi patiran.